Hi guys, welcome to Darling and the Twins Club. Today we're in the kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make my spaghetti jollof. So I have my fresh tomatoes. I have my spaghetti. I have chicken, marinated chicken. I have shredded beef. I have my seasoning. I have carrot, tomato paste. I have green pepper bell, salt. I have green bean. I have spring onion. I have chopped onions. I have groundnut oil. This is spaghetti. It is carbohydrate. It gives energy. I have to wash my hands because of germs. Now this is our boiling water. I'm going to put some oil so the spaghetti doesn't stick together. I'm adding the salt for taste. So you stir and taste. And a little bit of onions, and now it sizzles. And my beef. I'm using the beef for the spaghetti. Now I'm adding my seasoning. This is a double-sided pan. It's used for grilling. Now it's ready. I don't want it burnt because it's for the spaghetti. Now I want to steam the chicken. Chicken. Okay. Then I also add some seasoning. It's already marinated, so I won't put much. Now some chicken seasoning and some water for the stock. Stir it because I need the stock for the spaghetti sauce. Okay, then I'll cut it. Now I want to taste it. It's okay. Now the water is boiled. I want to add the spaghetti. These 2 spaghetti packs. So I just mix everything together. Now I'm mixing it, and I'm going to turn the other side. Okay, so just spread everything so it cooks. Now we have to stir so it doesn't get sticky. But adding the tin tomatoes before the fresh tomatoes because it takes longer to get cooked. Now stir it. Now the fresh tomatoes. This is the mixture of chicken seasoning, garlic, ginger, and our jollof rice spice. Then I mix it. So we're going to add this chicken stock because the spaghetti is already cooked and we don't want it to get soggy. Then we stir it. Now let's taste it. It tastes good. Now we're adding the green beans first because it's hard and it's raw. Then the carrot. Now our beef. Okay, so I'll stir it. Why I'm putting these ones first because it's raw and it's hard. Now the green pepper. At this point is remaining my spring onions. I just like to put the spring onions after I put the spaghetti so I get that green fresh look. I just want to take some sauce so I don't have too much sauce in my spaghetti. Now I want to pack my grilled chicken. I'm pouring half of the spaghetti in the pot so I can easily stir it. Just poured half of the spring onions into our spaghetti. So I mix it very well. Let's pour this. Now I'm pouring the second part. Okay. So. You can see now our sauce is perfect for the spaghetti. It's not too soggy, it's not too much, and there should not be too much water inside. For the spaghetti looks, I do not want the vegetables to be too cooked. At this point, if you think your spaghetti doesn't taste good, you can still add more spice, but I think mine is okay. Hit the red subscribe button and click on the bell sign beside it so you can get notifications whenever we upload a new video.